Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the monoclonal antibodies and their nomenclature. The first one being the murin. M-U-R-I-N-E is the murin. So murin means it is 0% human. 0% it is human, and the drug used, it ends with OMAB. O-M-A-B. So what is meant by O-M-A-B? The drug it can include the tocilizumab. So tocilizumab. Then comes the chimeric. The chimeric, it about 65% of the human, and it includes the rituximab. So it is a Z-mab which is present in chimeric. So what about humanized? Humanized means it is Zumab. Z-U-M-A-B. It is 95% human, and the drug is the trastuzumab. Then moving on to the fully human. So what is known as the fully human? The fully human, it includes 100% human, and here the nomenclature is the UMAB, UMAB. The example being the adalimumab. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.